Cathie Woods just said that Tesla stock will reach $1,500 a share. She's officially becoming like that shorty you just can't get away from. Like, she just, not from her looks perspective, I'm not being weird. It's just like everything that she say, even if it's not true, even if it's like ridiculous, it just sounds so good. Let's listen to Cathie Woods talk about this $1,500 price target that she had mentioned on Grant Cardone's Twitter Spaces little segment that he had.
Decision.
So I asked people before you came into the room, I said, look, if you won $1 million lottery.
Let me know in the comments what you would invest in with $1 million.
On the winning was you have 5 hours. You have to pick one stock.
5 hours.
And you have to keep that one stock for 10 years.
10 years. Wow.
Otherwise, we're not going to give you the $1 million. What stock would you invest in?
Well, especially because of how much it's been pummeled recently.
Okay.
And we're known for this. I don't think it'll surprise if any of your listeners have heard of ARK. They've heard of Tesla.
Yeah.
And I think Tesla. So to give you a sense of that, I think Tesla hit $180 today. We have put out on our website our Tesla model, and you can manipulate it if you'd like to see how we get to these numbers. But that $180.
One thing about Cathie, she's always confident about their research, and that's why I just can't get away from her. Like, all the negative news on her and her ETFs, I just can't get away from her because of how much she just talks about the research.
We believe will in 5 years. Now, this is our research, and of course we could be wrong for compliance reasons. I have to say that.
She always does.
But our conviction is very high that $180, if you do hold it, don't trade it, will scale to $1,500 in our base case. It's actually a little north of that now. So almost tenfold in 5 years. Why? Because electric vehicles have entered the sweet spot of their S-curve, and Tesla is leading the charge, so to speak.
Okay, yes,
and
I do agree.
And just
that was good. I just got the pun. Sorry.
So just to get to that $500 price target. I mean, to get to the electric vehicle part of the story, that's 500 of the 1,500. Okay. In order to get that other 1,000, you have to believe, as we do increasingly, that we are going to be, that Tesla is going to be in the lead, in the pole position,
of course,
to become the autonomous taxi platform, at least in the United States. There are not going to be many winners here.
And I don't hear you really talking about the electric aspect. I hear you talking about the autonomous. Are you saying that the Chevys and the Mercedes and the Audis?
All right. So Cathie Woods is pretty much saying, is the EV aspect, just the electrical vehicle, the base thought of the electrical vehicle aspect will get Tesla to $500 per share. What she's saying is that from the 500 to the 1,500, it will be Tesla's autonomous taxi service. If a lot of y'all don't know, they're doing it right now in Las Vegas. Let's see, Tesla taxi service tunnels Vegas. They're doing it in Las Vegas right now. If they can expand, they got a whole Tesla taxi tunnel. I don't know if y'all look into it when you get a chance, but if they can expand this idea, not even just in tunnels, just onto the streets. I think the tunnel thing is a cool idea. It'll be very expensive to build that out, but if they can get this going at the street level, she's saying that Tesla will be in the lead to make this possible. Not a Uber, not a Lyft. Tesla, and I love that. I love her enthusiasm, man. She's always the research. I'm telling you, Tesla currently trading at 180 range as I make this video. We've had a crazy bounce back in the last month, 72% increase in the last month. And there's a lot of great things coming for Tesla. They just, I actually forgot to mention, I'm going to be doing another video on Tesla talking about the price drop, price increase. But yes, I just had to talk about Cathie Woods, man. As much as a lot of people talk down on her, I'm still a strong believer in her ETF. And there's a lot of great things coming for Tesla. I don't know, maybe I can see Tesla being somewhere in the middle of 750, 1500. It's like every time they get up to like a 700 or 1000, they split the stock. So it's hard for me to see it at 1500, even though you can still do the calculations after the stock split. So I think that even if they get up to 1000 again, I think that they'll do it. I think Elon Musk would do a stock split and then give people more shares, bring the price down, keep it affordable. It's a nice little move. In other good news for Tesla, though, the recent lawsuit over the tweets securing the funding. I did a video about it a few weeks ago. Elon Musk has won that lawsuit. It was announced on Friday. A jury ruled that Elon Musk is not liable for losses experienced by Tesla shareholders following his controversial funding secured tweet from 2018. So that's another great thing that won't hold the Tesla stock back. Y'all let me know in the comment section below. Be aware for my other Tesla video I got coming this week. I got some great details on that, on pricing, on EV credits. Great type of things to pay attention to. Shout out to all my future millionaires watching this, listening right now. Throw a money sign in the comment section below. The bulls are here to stay, man. I'm not going nowhere. ARK ETF for sure. Make sure y'all pay attention to that too. Check out the website. Check out the research. Always cross research anything anybody says, even me, because anybody can be wrong. I appreciate y'all for watching. If you're interested in joining the Discord chat, shoot me a DM above on my Twitter or Instagram. I'll get you the details to join. I'm signing out.